Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. So this is my room and like you can see it's kinda empty. I don't have a PC right now. So today I will show you guys how my room will look later. So let's start with the keyboard. I bought this keyboard from the brand Razer and I have to say it's very good actually. But the box wasn't new, it was just the last one in the shop, so I had to buy it. But yeah, it works. So this little sticker came with it and this booklet. So this is how the keyboard looks. The quality is actually really good, but it was kind of pricey and I think I bought it for $80. So this is the mouse, it's also from Razer and I think it was like $40 or something. I have to say I'm really bad at unboxing. Okay, yeah, yes, I'm trying, okay, I'm trying. So yeah, the mouse itself is actually really good. Let's go to the speakers. Those speakers are from Logitech, I think, and they were really cheap. So the monitor is from Samsung and it's also kind of curved and I really love it. It looks really nice. And I am really untalented in cutting boxes. This took me so long. I was like cutting it for so long. Because the scissors is actually for cutting hair and not for cutting a box. So yeah. Have fun seeing me struggling. Wow! So let's go to the best part, the PC. So yeah, here you see another clip of me where I am cutting a box again. Yeah, I said cutting again. I'm sorry for the background noises though, it's just my brother's friend came here. They're playing Smash. So right now I'm actually taking the protective sticker off because I'm stupid as fuck. I shouldn't do that, but I realized it after I took the whole of it off, and now it just looks pretty shitty. So I took the whole of it off, and now it's not protected. Amazing, right? Okay, I'm actually really happy how this all fits perfectly together. I really love how it looks like. So yeah, I think yeah, it's just good. I like it. So I hope you liked the video and I will put the material in my description so you can, if you like it, buy it too, or maybe have more information about them before buying it. And by the way, I'm really sorry about the background noises. Like I said, my brother's friend from a different country came here and they both are playing Smash Bros. They're loud as fuck. So yeah, I hope the video is still okay. So yeah, see you next time, like and subscribe.